Okay, hi everybody. So, welcome to Veritas GS Hub. Now let's talk about uh, history. Okay, so what do you understand by history? Okay, now there are types of history first. Okay, let's see. One is prehistory, second is protohistory, the third is history. Okay, so we'll be looking into all these sections of the history. So what exactly prehistory is, what exactly protohistory is, what exactly history is. Okay, so now before we go to prehistory, I want you to understand the geological time scale. Okay, this is where. So in geological time scale, we have, this is what it is. Okay, first the largest scale is eon, that you know, this one. Okay, the second is era, and again if we go down we have period. Okay, we have epoch. Okay, epoch is where we are now. Okay, from epoch also we have this Holocene epoch. Okay, now when we see prehistory, see, prehistory is from 2.6 million years ago to 3000 BCE. Okay, do you see this? Now if we see this 2.6 million years, this one, and again if we see, compare it with the geological time scale. Now eon is from, see, this one. Okay, 4000 million years ago. But again we'll go down, we'll go to epoch. See, Pleistocene, from Pleistocene epoch is started from 2.6 million years ago to 11,000 BCE. Now from Pleistocene epoch to where, till, just a second. Okay, from Pleistocene epoch till this one, Holocene epoch. Okay, the moment we reach Holocene epoch, our Stone Age starts here. Okay, Stone Age starts here. So Stone Age also we will see. Now prehistory starts with this area, 2.6 million years ago to till 3000 BC. Now agar 3000 BC, if I'm saying 3000 BC, you might be thinking about where is Harappan civilization lies in all these time scale. Harappan civilization. Okay, obviously Harappan civilization started around early Harappan, maybe let's see pre-Harappan sites. Some pre-Harappan sites were also there, like Mehergar. So Mehergar, and again some early Harappan sites, they were seen in around 7000 BCE. Okay, so prehistory comes till 3000 BCE, or maybe let's say 5000, okay, BCE, or 4000 BCE. I mean, now why are we counting this 3000, 4000, or maybe 7000 BCE as the part of prehistory? Now let's see what prehistory exactly is. Okay, see, here's the definition. Prehistory of a human past before the invention use of writing in a region studied what? Through archaeological stone tools or bones cave art. See, prehistory means the historical events where we do not have any what? Let's see. Do not have any written records. Okay, so prehistory starts from 2.6 million years ago till 3000 BCE. Okay, so 3000 BC till 3000 BC, let's say 4 5000 BCE also, we do not have any written records. But now, okay, you have understood about the what prehistory is. And now what proto-history. To understand proto-history, we need to start from where prehistory is ended. Okay, now the prehistory is from, let's say, 2.6 million years ago till 3000 BCE. Okay, now proto-history will probably start from let's say 3000, okay, BCE till 1500 BC, where the first phase of urbanization, was declined. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here prehistory ends with the beginning of what? Harappan civilization. Indus Valley civilization, I mean to say Indus Valley civilization. Why we are not counting this Indus Valley civilization as a part of prehistory? Why are we counting this Indus Valley civilization as a part of proto-history? Because in Indus Valley civilization we have this written scripts. You might have heard about the Harappan scripts, okay, which is not deciphered yet. Now in proto-history, what happens? We have written records are there, but we do not understand what it is all about. Okay, mean to say, scripts will be there, but undeciphered. Okay, undeciphered history. So scripts will be in proto-history, scripts will be there, but we do not understand what it is all about. Now let's go to the, see the definition. The transitional period when a culture has no or undeciphered indigenous writing, okay, but is known, mentioned in the written records of the other culture, or shows urbanized material culture. Okay, so we do not see the undeciphered word. For this Harappan script, we have not deciphered yet. We do not understand what it is all about. But obviously we understand there is a pictographical writings used there. You might have seen the Harappan seal, okay, where those pictures where they are hunting unicorn seal. You might have seen all those seals. So we understand the pictographical written used to be there, but we do not understand what exactly it means. That is, so the history where there are scripts are there, but we do not understand, those comes under the proto-history, as a part of proto-history. Now in geological time scale, see, Holocene epoch is where we are living now. Okay, see, Holocene epoch. From in Holocene epoch, 11,000, from 11,000 BCE, we starts Paleolithic age. Paleolithic will be there, Mesolithic will be there, Neolithic will be there, Chalcolithic will be there. After Chalcolithic, we comes our what? Harappan. See, human rights evolution, Neolithic revolution is there. Okay, farming domestication, where we see the first domestication of animal. Okay, and again, we see later on we have what? Indus Valley civilization comes with the Chalcolithic period. Okay, so we'll not go into this for now. We'll just understand now, as we've already talked about prehistory and the proto-history. We have understand proto-history. Now in proto-history we have urban sites are there, metallurgy there. Okay, now but undeciphered external literature civilization refers to them. Okay, so this external civilization refers to them is, it means, see, example, Harappans, let's say example, obviously we know, for now we know Harappans have their writings, but let's say for example, if what if Harappans had not their own writing, but some other civilization has mentioned about them. For example, what in Mesopotamia, in Mesopotamian writings, Mesopotamian scripture, we have the word something called Meluha. Okay, this Meluha is referred to this Harappan civilization. ठीक है ना? So by this, from Mesopotamian script, we understand that there are something called Harappan civilization which used to exist. Okay, this was an example. So had Harappans not their own script, we would have known Harappan from Mesopotamian script. But since Harappan have their own script, we know the Harappan civilization used to exist. But thing is, we do not understand what it is all about, what it is written in the script. That is the reason we put the Harappan civilization into the part of proto-history. Okay, see, by 1300 the Harappan civilization completely declined. After that, our Vedic age start. Okay, Vedic transition is from 1500 to 1000 BC. The Vedic age is also divided into two parts, the early and the later Vedic. Okay, now in early Vedic age, we have Vedas. Not Vedas, we have only Rig Veda actually. Okay, we have only Rig Veda. Now in India we have Rig Veda. So from around 1500 we count our history, because we have the written record, that is Veda. Okay, Rig Veda. So in Rig Veda we understand what it is in the Rig Veda. That is the reason in history, the period in which written records are available that can be used as a primary source, see, by the historians. But in proto-history, if you see, the scriptures can be there. Okay, I mean, scripts can be there, but we cannot use that as a primary source. Okay, so this is the main difference between prehistory, proto-history, and the history. In history, we have written records, and we can use that as a primary source to understand the history, okay, the events which have been occurred there. ठीक है ना? So that is the main difference between the history, prehistory, proto-history, and the history. After this, from Vedic age, our history actually not only from Vedic age, but from prehistorical era only our history starts. Okay, in prehistorical era, see, Paleolithic age will be there, Mesolithic will be there, Neolithic will be there. Okay, now in all this time, paleo means the old. Okay, lithic means lithic means stone. Okay, you will see microlithic, megalithic also you will see later on, means the civilization with big boulders, means the stone. Okay, megalithic age also it will be there. So in prehistory, from 2.6 million years ago to 3000 BCE, we have Paleolithic, means the old Stone Age, and again the Mesolithic age, Middle Stone Age, transition between Paleolithic and the Neolithic. We have Neolithic, means the New Stone Age. Okay, so these are divided into these years. So in India also we have this Stone Age sites are mainly Bhimbetka. Rock painting, they are there, okay, in Madhya Pradesh. So these all things we will be see in the, we'll be looking into the this topic in the upcoming classes. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.